finishing Commando, and then I'm going to Badshah, and then my other one starts in Feb, which is going to be announced by the end of the year.
Very good to see you, Usha.
Thank you.
Tell us, what are the three things you look into whenever you associate yourself with any brand?
I think brand association always is very important, first of all, for celebrities. I think just something like what the brand represents, what all it's selling, and how much of what they're saying is true. I'm good. No. I just need it in my hand.
You know, Isha, what is fashion for you? What is the style mean? What is fashion means to you? You know, especially makeup part.
Fashion's everything, especially being a celebrity. I think fashion's everything. I'm not saying we have to be, of course, in trend and follow the fashion, but I don't think, chalega na? But I don't think we need to follow the fashion to the T that something's not looking good on our body type, we are still going for it. Something's not looking good on our face, and we're still having that. But makeup trend is also something which is very cool thing, because now the makeup trend's actually followed. If you see from the 50s to the 60s to the 70s till now, like, makeup's changing every day, and like I said, like, for us, especially for actors, it's like a blessing in disguise.
Okay, Diwali is around the corner. What's your preparation for Diwali?
As in, like, what?
Diwali is around the corner. I mean, Diwali is a big festival. What is your preparation for Diwali?
Preparation in what sense?
You know, you'll be shopping, you'll buying stuff for yourself.
बहुत गलत सवाल है भाई. मैं घर से अलग रहती हूँ. There will be no दिवाली शॉपिंग. घर में एक दिया जला लूँगी. प्लीज़, जब हम काम करते हैं ना, you have no time to have दिवाली. I think I'll be attending all the parties which will be happening in Bombay. But मेरे अपने घर पे there'll be a diya, and that's it. And I don't believe in firecrackers. And if I get chance, I'll go back home and celebrate Diwali like Delhi does, with all the good food and, you know, all the diyas everywhere, and all the, like, my parents dress it up well. But mera, there's nothing. There's just no shopping happening.
Okay, what happening on professional front? What's the end fight?
I'm just finishing Commando, and then I'm going to Badshah, and then my other one starts in Feb, which is going to be announced by the end of the year.
If you can tell us a little more about Commando.
6 Jan it's releasing. Please go watch it. I can't tell you about my character. It's a very cool character. It's a very sweet girl, and that's all I can tell you.
Okay, there'll be expectation really high expectation, because the Commando one they have done really well.
I know.
So do you feel that pressure on your shoulder being a part of Commando?
No, I think this one's got to do better.
Thank you.
Thank you.